Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Wix is still the best all around website builder in 2025 or if it's been passed by newer platforms. Wix in 2025 remains one of the most powerful and beginner friendly website builders, offering a true drag and drop interface, AI assisted design tools, hundreds of slick templates, built in SEO, e commerce, bookings, blogs, memberships, and now even AI content creation and app integrations, making it ideal for creators, small businesses, and freelancers who want to build fast without coding. Though advanced users may still prefer WordPress for deeper control, Wix ease of use, design flexibility, and constant feature upgrades keep it at the top for most people needing a polished site fast. That's the full review. Build smarter, launch quicker. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-flop website builder breakdowns.